Hello, welcome to my instructional technology tutorial number 1 for Seesaw. Seesaw creates learning experiences that can transform instruction, especially in a blended environment or in a virtual environment. Seesaw is an educational platform designed to facilitate student engagement, family communication, and personalized learning. It serves as a digital portfolio where students can showcase their work and teachers can assess progress and communicate with families. Seesaw is accessible via a website or an app, making it a very versatile and user-friendly app for both classroom and remote learning environments. The primary purpose of Seesaw is to empower students to document and reflect their learning journey. It also, as stated, provides teachers with a tool for assessment and feedback while fostering strong communication between the classroom and home. Seesaw aims to create an interactive and collaborative learning experience that engages students, supports differentiated instruction, and keeps parents informed and involved. It's a way to supplement your core curriculum and beyond. Seesaw offers multimodal learning that keeps students highly engaged. Assessments and insights are readily available through a digital portfolio for parent-teacher conferences or to differentiate instruction into small groups. The digital portfolios serve as a wonderful way to progress monitor and to also document work over time. And it's a really easy and wonderful way to involve families and allow the learning community for all stakeholders in a child's education to see exactly the work that the child is doing through this digital portfolio. The basic functions of Seesaw are what we're going to discuss now. As you can see right here on the side panel, these are the individual student portfolios where students can create and upload various types of content, including photos, videos, drawings, notes, links. This is also how students can easily complete assignments. The content is organized into individual student portfolios. So for example, right now, this portfolio represents a student's work from the beginning of the year to the end of the year.
When we learned all about the letter J. This is book 3. I want to read it to you again before you try using the words from this story as a fluency practice. So you can record yourself so I can listen to you reading. So to do this activity, you're going to need your printout, or you can use the copy in Seesaw of Jim and Mom's Jam. You're also going to need your learning coach to set a timer for 1 minute. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and then you can go ahead and try at home. So I have my timer, it's set for 1 minute, and I don't want to rush or race through the text. I just want to read as best I can the first time. So I'm going to start my 1 minute timer. Mom had jam for Jim. The jam was on the log. Go to the log, said Mom. Jim had to jog to the log. Stop at the log for the jam, Jim, said Mom. Jim had to stop at the log for the jam.
Go.
Mom had jam for Jim. The jam was on the log. Go to the log, said Mom. Jim had to jog to the log. Stop at the log for the jam, Jim, said Mom. Jim had to stop at the log for the jam.
So to review, the basic functions of Seesaw are to create student portfolios of work. The teacher tools allow teachers to assign activities, provide feedback, and assess student work, and allowing for differentiation by assigning different activities to different students or groups. Another basic function is it creates family engagement. There's a large activity library with pre-made activities covering a wide range of subjects and grade levels, and teachers can also choose to create and share their own activities. There's a great resource blog that provides a lot of wonderful ideas and resources as well. And Seesaw can be integrated into your daily assignments and activities. In conclusion, Seesaw has the potential to transform teaching and learning by making it more interactive, personalized, and engaging. It's user-friendly for both the students and teachers, and the platform encourages students to take ownership of their learning while providing teachers with valuable insights into student progress and also keeping parents in the loop through very easy ways of communicating. By integrating Seesaw into your teaching practice, you can create a dynamic and supportive learning environment that meets the diverse needs of your students.